never pushed
Slap her
There's
right.
the record
Oh,
button.
thank you.
Oh no.
Go back and kiss Diane.
Go back and kiss Diane. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You come here. You want to give me kisses? You want to give kisses? You want to give kisses?
I already gave you one.
I got my one kiss. I got
That's
my
it.
kiss. Yeah, I got
You
my
have
one
coffee.
kiss.
You have coffee
I
breath.
Have I got coffee breath? Thank you. Oh, thank you very much.
Good.
Thank you. Good boy.
I thought maybe we missed
That
our
was-
chance.
that
They
was-
only kiss.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah, like
That was
I'm not
take
doing
two.
this again.
That would be Goldie that you get one chance.
Yeah, Cassie, you get one chance.
Yeah.
Goldie maybe gives me a kiss one
Hi,
chance.
Anna.
So.
Hi, sweetie.
He's pleased.
Moses, you want to come say hi to Hunter? You're being such a good boy.
He's in an X-Pin all day while we're gone.
Yeah, I mean, Josh and
Those guys
Kaz do
end up
go in
carrying
there
on
too.
like a couple
Yeah.
of weenies.
Yeah, and see, he had heartworms when
Mommy, go for a ride.
we, stage 3
Going for a ride?
heartworms. And so for the first 3 or 4 months we had him, he had to be
Giddy up.
Lord help me if he does, you'll have a really funny video.
I had a German Shepherd when I was a kid, before anybody really knew about heartworm and all that kind of stuff. They got heartworm.
Yeah,